have an underactive thyroid, insulin resistance type polycystic ovary syndrome, and I've recently been diagnosed with androgenic alopecia. I am on 150 micrograms of Spironolactone, which is an androgen blocker. What you see here is what my hair looks like after 6 weeks of continuous use of Minoxidil, and for the last 2 weeks I have been shedding a lot. I don't like it at all. It really freaks me out, and I'm noticing my hair is thinning with each wash, unfortunately. This is normal. It's a good sign. It's to remove all the weakened hairs so that new, stronger hairs can grow back in its place. The shedding stage can last up to about 2 months or so. My androgenic alopecia is slightly different to what others might have, in that my alopecia is diffuse. It's all over my scalp. It's because I've got polycystic ovary syndrome as well, so I've got an extra sensitivity to DHT apparently. I saw a trichologist a couple of months ago. A high percentage of my hair is already miniaturizing, which means that I have hairs all over my scalp, not just on the top of my scalp, which is common with androgenic alopecia, but I have thinning all over. So I have lots of hairs that grow a couple of inches, they fall out, and then they grow again. So I've got a shortened androgen phase, and these hairs are thinner and weaker hairs, and eventually they will stop growing. So I thought I'd just give you a quick update to let you know where I am in this journey. But yeah, I'm hoping I'm going to see improvements in the next couple of months. Fingers crossed.